Tired of juggling paper documents and complicated signing processes? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Docusign with your website, making document signing a breeze for your users. First, you'll need a Docusign developer account. Head over to the Docusign Developer Center website. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free developer sandbox. This is where you can safely test your integration. Next, create an API integration key. Navigate to API and keys within your Docusign developer account. Generate a new API key. This will be your unique identifier for your website's connection to Docusign. Make sure you save this key. You'll also need to generate a secret key. This, combined with the API key, is required for secure authentication. Store both of these keys safely. They're like the password to your Docusign integration. Now, configure your OAuth settings. You will need to set a redirectory. This is the URL on your website where Docusign will send users after they authenticate and authorize the integration. The integration process involves several key steps. Your website will need to upload the document to Docusign, create an envelope that defines the signing workflow, and then redirect the user to Docusign for signing. Finally, embed the Docusign signing experience within your website using the Docusign API and your integration keys. You can create a seamless signing flow that keeps users on your platform. This greatly enhances user experience and speeds up document turnaround time. Happy integrating.